Put the mosquito net in boiling water and you will be surprised by the result. After learning this, I never had this problem in my house again. And my friends, that's it. To do this, all you need is a pot of hot water and an old pan that you no longer use. And in it, we'll add 2 spiral mosquito nets. That's right, the ones you've probably used before, but in the traditional way. Believe me, they can be much more useful than you think. After a while in the water, they start to dissolve and release amazing properties. Now, let's add some cloves, which you probably already have at home and will make all the difference. Add a generous amount and bring the water to a boil. The next ingredient we are going to use is coarse salt. It can enhance the effects of all the other ingredients. Add a generous tablespoon and mix it all together very well. After a while, you will notice that the color of the water has changed. This is a sign that the process is working. Now, turn off the heat and let the mixture cool down a bit. Once this is done, remove the spirals and transfer the mixture to another suitable container. Now comes another essential ingredient, alcohol 70. Not only does it help preserve the mixture, but it also increases its efficiency and speeds up the drying process. We will add 150 milliliters of alcohol. Finally, we will finish with some peppermint essence. Another very important ingredient, not only for its aroma, but also because it is very effective for our purpose. We add a good amount and mix well. And I imagine that by now you are probably wondering what this is for. I'll tell you right away, and you won't want to wait. To finish, simply pour the mixture into a spray bottle or other container for easy application. Before I learned this trick, I tried a lot of expensive products that just didn't work. Until I discovered this, and it was my solution. And the secret to this amazing product we just made is a powerful homemade insect repellent. It keeps away all kinds of insects such as mosquitoes, cockroaches, ants, spiders, and other unwanted pests. Just apply it in the places where these insects usually appear. And that's it. You will have a protected and odor-free environment. And all this for very little money, since you probably have all the ingredients at home. And whatever is left over, you can save it and use it when you need it. This is sure to be your ultimate solution against insects.